Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for Repeaters Medical Batch for NEET 2022.
The BJP is using Hindus as puppets in order to get short-term political gain. It is most unfortunate. And this is a recipe for endless religious conflict, unending social instability, to situations akin to civil war, because India consists of many faiths. That is why I said it's this kind of hatred-filled religion, which is not Hinduism. Hinduism is not hate, it is not bigotry, it is not exclusion, it is not violence, it is not divisiveness. The use of religion to divide people is an insult to Goa, which is a state with many faiths, which have lived here for centuries. The BJP's attempt to show that it has a monopoly on Hinduism and all other parties are against Hindus is a cynical political instrument to divide people, to win elections through hatred and exclusion. That is the message I want to give. Whereas the TMC stands for tolerance, coexistence and inclusion, which is the essential message of Hinduism.